Music. Is Codementor the Freelancer platform for you? Let's find out. I'm reviewing Codementor, connecting developers with experts for mentoring, freelance projects, and real-time coding help. Links are in the description. Codementor is perfect for developers and businesses needing fast solutions to coding challenges or skilled freelancers. Startups, small businesses, and individual developers seeking expert guidance will especially benefit. It offers live one-on-one coding help, long-term mentorship, and freelance hiring for custom projects. Codementor boasts vetted experts across diverse programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. Find specialists in everything from web and mobile development to AI, data science, and DevOps. This vetting ensures high-quality assistance for complex projects. Need instant problem solving? Codementor's live mentoring connects you with experts in real time. Perfect for tackling tough bugs or learning best practices. Need longer-term help? Codementor matches businesses with top freelance developers for ongoing projects. Codementor's user-friendly interface makes finding and hiring experts easy. Browse profiles, read reviews, and schedule free introductory calls. Flexible pricing lets you choose hourly rates or fixed project fees. Need reliable, high-quality coding assistance or freelance talent? Codementor is your powerful, efficient solution. It bridges the gap between challenges and expert support, saving you time and ensuring better project outcomes. Check the links in the description to explore Codementor and enhance your development experience.